Yo, you know who it is. That's dangerous. But obviously today, before I start my session at my favourite park, built by Bars, Ruskin, you know what it's gonna be. Flipping, I ain't been here in a long time. And on top of that, I abuse this park. Like, I don't even really like it that much. Like, bars are missing, all sorts. Still Warriors, check that out. Cool. So, the little rant before I start is about my last flipping YouTube video. Flipping, it's on like 400 and something views. Obviously, yeah, got to put the ego aside and accept that progress will be measured, because 400 is flipping poor. But yeah, we're gonna move from that and train. But obviously, like and comment, please. Yeah?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
What the fuck do you even call that?
Huh?
What the fuck do you even call that?
I'm just warming up, bro. Cool. Right now, I'm gonna try the Andy Strong thing that he does with the ring, that one arm back lever and drop to the floor. We're gonna see how that goes. Next. Touch the ring. Okay, clean. Raise. I see you.
What's this one then? What's this one? Yeah? No ring.
Yeah?
Quick step.
Peace.
I ain't never seen that one.
Come on.
That's my thing.
Come on.
You need to make that real.
Trust me.
Put them like
Beast, clean. I beg you, come hold this for me. Let's swap place. I want to touch the rings. Wait.
strong.
Here, come.
We got sidetracked.
Let's take it over. It's something else now. Let's get it.
Ready, yeah?
Go on, do something with the sonic ring.
Do the sonic ring.
Okay.
Okay.
He's taking the mitt. Oh! That, ooh. Aye, he did it on back. He saved it. Hey! Okay.
We're gonna try to do some explosive pull-ups. Yeah, I know I can do it.
I know I can do it too. Let's get it.
Hey, I see you guys. Okay, explosive muscle ups. Ready? Raise.
So your drop on your bars, that was lethal. That's where I'm traumatized.
Oh, you're passing. You see them lot over there? I had to give them space. I needed space. Right now I'm trying to do a handstand up here and flip and land on the ground. That to me is fun. I think it will take 2 attempts. This is my first attempt. Yeah? First attempt settings, yeah? Yeah? I won't be. Yeah? First attempt setting. This is the height. Minor. Minor. Come on. Fucking hell. Come on. I had to leave them alone. They're screaming up the park. Like, if I did it from this height right now, the floor's right there. I caught it. I did it. Raining.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna do it quickly. I think so. Come on, right now, I've finished my jumping around. They're hot, but these lot are doing tug of war. My man fell over. Look, oh, missed it. I wasn't there. You missed it, guys. Sorry for. I missed it. I missed it.
I forget rematch, that's true. That is true.
I got the winner still. That's it. I got the winner. I might verse him and just make him sit down.
Yeah. Whoever beats next. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, you got to verse him.
No, brother, you gotta hit the blue versus the red.
Blue versus the red.
The fire versus the water.
Blue versus the red.
Blue versus the red.
No, I'll just. No. I don't like losing, that's the real answer.
Oh, it's over. Oh, it's over.
What are you not doing?
That's like, fuck that, I'm not giving up. Hey, bro, you stay there. Let's go.
Yo, get the children. Get the children as well.
Kyron, you don't want to go?
You done me.
Yeah. Pause, fire.
Oh, wow.
Look at Hulk. Look, Hulk's. Yeah, man said Hulk saying, get off the rope, guys. Do not touch the rope.
Two of us.
Two of us. Me. For him to throw me around. I'm like fucking 70 kg. This guy's looking like he does this. He's looking like he does this.
If he does both of us.
He does this, bro. You know he's in the gym pulling. Man said 2 man. 2 man step. 2 man step. I might back it. The Built by Bars captain's over here. The Built by Bars captain over here. Yeah? Come on, youngest in charge. Yeah? Come on. You got another competition?
You hopping in?
Me.
Muscle up for
Me. Oh, allow it.
muscle up for muscle up.
Allow it.
Gonna start some beef.
Yeah.
Cup number 1. Let's go.
I want to get that.
Okay, both sides. That. You barely had that.
I want to try that now.
That's mad, innit?
Lean into the
I
side.
see bare women do that one, innit? On the parallels.
Oh yeah.
you know what I mean?
Just a hold.
Yeah.
The fuck?
Fuck it, no. That's a mad one, though.
Maybe.
I don't even know that, but it's just the fact you said that.
Let's go.
Okay, you're right.
You get what I'm saying?
Whoa!
Oh my days. Was that even in the footage?
That was it.
No.
It's not going to be a light.
That was sick.
Don't stop it.
That was sick.
I'm just not trying to
Come on. My day's done. My body's done. I'm tired. I'm ready to go home and sleep. All I can say is I'm making this for my 400 viewers. You know how it is. Flipping like and comment. Subscribe if you're not subscribing. Yeah.